For years, iPhone updates have followed a predictable iterative rhythm. However, industry insiders and supply chain leaks suggest that Apple is gearing up for a major generational leap with the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max. Rather than a routine annual spec bump, the next generation flagship is rumored to introduce architectural breakthroughs across nearly every core subsystem, from manufacturing node sizes and custom wireless modems to a potentially revolutionary camera overhaul. The 2nm A20 Pro chipset. The device is expected to be powered by TSMC's cutting-edge 2nm manufacturing process. Moving to a 2nm node enables a massive leap in transistor density, projecting up to an 18% performance increase and a 30% reduction in power consumption compared to prior designs. Expanded RAM for Apple Intelligence. To comfortably run advanced on-device AI workloads, processing features, and nuanced Siri customization tools, the Pro Max line is slated to feature up to 12 GB of RAM. Breakthrough variable aperture camera. Rumors heavily point to a brand new primary camera system featuring a variable physical aperture, reportedly exclusive to the Pro Max tier. This addition would allow the lens to mechanically adjust how much light enters, offering true DSLR-like control over depth of field and background blur. Stretched battery capacity. Thanks to internal layout adjustments and extreme chip efficiency, the physical battery capacity is rumored to climb significantly, reaching up to 5,567 mAh in US variants. The custom C2 modem. Apple is reportedly expanding its transition away from Qualcomm by introducing its own C2 modem architecture designed to optimize cellular connectivity, Wi-Fi 7 performance, and satellite communications. To house these upgraded internals, including larger battery cells and enhanced cooling hardware, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to grow marginally in physical dimensions. Leaks point to a chassis thickness of roughly 9.0 millimeters and a total weight of about 240 grams. While slightly thicker and heavier than its predecessor, the frame will continue to utilize premium aerospace-grade materials alongside a slimmed-down dynamic island enabled by under-display Face ID component integration. Apple is widely expected to lift the veil on the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max during its traditional autumn hardware showcase in September 2026. With production costs rising due to advanced 2nm wafer packaging and new component integration, analysts warn that consumers should prepare for potential price pressures at the high end of the market. Would you prefer a slightly thicker iPhone body if it guarantees substantially longer battery life and a variable aperture camera system?